didn't want to do it. It was my girlfriend's birthday, and she's like, no, you have to do it. So yeah, I jumped out of a plane for her. मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊँ ये हो नहीं सकता. I think so much mimicry has happened of that I also kind of like ये हो नहीं सकता, like that comes out automatically.
One actor/actress you would love to work with.
One actor would be Ranbir Kapoor. I really look up to him. And one actress would be Alia Bhatt. I think she's a phenomenal actress.
So starting with it, who was your first celebrity crush?
My first celebrity crush? It's a very good question. I think it was Aishwarya Rai. I think she was my first celebrity crush.
Okay. Tell us one lie that you have told recently.
One lie that I've told recently. I'm just 5 minutes away.
Okay. What is physically the scariest thing you have ever done?
Skydiving. I didn't want to do it. It was my girlfriend's birthday, and she's like, no, you have to do it. So yeah, I jumped out of a plane for her. So
Your girlfriend takes a lot of risk.
definitely, yeah.
Okay. Name 3 things in your bedside table.
My wallet, my watch, and my TV remote.
Okay. Who is the one actor/actress you would love to work with in future?
One actor would be Ranbir Kapoor. I really look up to him. And one actress would be Alia Bhatt. I think she's a phenomenal actress.
Okay. What celebrity can you do an impression of?
No celebrity. Honestly, no, none.
Have you ever tried maybe like,
I used to do
animating
this-
anyone?
Yeah, no, I'm sure a lot of your viewers watch WWE. One of my favorite wrestlers was Triple H, and he used to put water in his mouth and he used to spit all the water in the air. So I try in the shower. I used to do that a lot.
Okay. And did you get to do that like while shooting also? Because there
No,
are some
no, no.
scenes like that.
No, not at all. Also, because of COVID, you can't really be spitting water.
Have you
everywhere.
tried, enacting your father ever?
Sometimes when people tell me what line to say, and then it's मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊँ ये हो नहीं सकता. I think so much mimicry has happened of that I also kind of like ये हो नहीं सकता, like that comes out automatically just because of what I've heard other people say. So yeah.
Do you see those memes and all which comes on social
I
media?
do. A lot of my friends send them to me. So
And do you personally enjoy because it's
I
just
love
fun?
it. I love it. It's very important to laugh at yourself and your father as well, I guess.
I just hope he doesn't see this
Yeah,
interview. Okay. What celebrity can you? Oh yeah, but I asked you. Sorry. What is the most useless talent you have?
Most useless talent? I don't think any talent is useless. Especially in this industry, I think you need to use it somewhere or the other.
What is the craziest rumor you have heard about yourself?
Craziest rumor I've heard about myself.
Because you have been in the news, as I told you,
Right.
before even making a debut.
So I don't know if this is crazy or not, but I found it very funny. Before Tara and before Tara came on board for Tarap, I had gone for dinner with my friends, and she happened to be at the restaurant with her friends as well. And the next morning was, oh, Tara and Ahan went for dinner, and I was like, I knew she was there, but yeah, that was like a crazy rumor.
Because both of them are dating different people
Yeah, so
and
it
at the
was
same
like,
time.
yeah, it was a bit weird.
Okay. So if you can't sleep in the middle of the night, what do you do?
I'm on my phone watching YouTube videos. I love watching YouTube videos.
YouTube has become very famous, and I'm
Yeah,
sure
yeah.
after this interview it will
YouTube
become more
and
famous.
Reels. I'm just scrolling through
Yeah,
Reels.
Insta Reels and
yeah,
all. No,
yeah.
it's
Oh, you just get
you
lo-
just
you
feel
just
like-
lose track of time. Yeah.
And do you somewhere feel when you feel like depressed or sad? Do you end up watching Insta Reels a lot?
I listen to music then. I just feel like music kind of
Kinda
calms me down. And
Okay. So what are 3 things you must do every day?
work out, eat a good 4 meals, and meet my mother.
Okay, that's awesome. What's the most rebellious thing you did as a teenager?
I used to get into a lot of trouble in school. I never used to fight, but I used to play a lot of pranks and do a lot of silly things. So my mom would get a call almost every day after middle school, and I used to be petrified to go home because I knew that call would have come. So yeah, those.
Did you try playing prank on the sets of the Tarap?
No, but we used to have a lot of fun. But I think after it's such an intense film that when we were done filming, I kind of would just go back, take a power nap, and then start my training, my workouts and stuff, and then eat and go to sleep.
Have you ever been bullied?
No. I was in the American school. We didn't have that culture, the bully culture in school. Everyone was very friendly with one another. So no.
That's very nice. One song you're obsessed with right now.
Jugnu. Other than my film Jugnu, oh my God, Bacha has absolutely killed it in that song.
What is something you will not be doing in 10 years?
Yeah, I don't want to say I won't be doing anything. I'm willing to do everything and try everything, and if I'll be what 35, 36 in 10 years, so I should be able to do everything.
Maybe you would choose not to rest in the next 10 years.
No, I think resting is important. I think even though you're working hard, films are very important. It's also good to take a step back and look at the other aspects in life, whether it be your relationships, your family. So yeah, resting is important. Traveling and having a good time with your friends is also very important. So definitely, I will be resting.
Okay. And the last two questions, what is your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure, um, desserts. A lot of people ask me like, "Oh, what diet are you on?" and like, "What do you eat? What do you not eat?" I eat everything and anything. I absolutely love desserts. I can have 2-3 tubs of ice cream a night.
My
I can have 2-3 kilos of laddu
Okay.
a night. So laddus are banned in my house, so I don't eat too much. Yeah.
Okay, you have to maintain your physique maybe.
Yeah, and yeah, basically, yeah, that's the reason why.
Who do you turn to when you're sad?
My girlfriend, or my sister, or my mother. The three women in my
And
life.
they comfort you.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah. Or they do they also like get tired somewhere? Like now you have to stop it.
No. They've been so incredibly supportive throughout my whole journey. So whether it be my highs or my lows, they've just always been there for me. And this is my pillars of strength.
And one memory you would like to share with your fans out there, which is always stayed with you, no matter where you go to places. What is that one memory?
Um, I don't think it's a particular memory, but it's someone in my life who is very important. My nani. She passed away when I was very young. So whatever I do, wherever I go, I just feel like she's with me. She's just been a very important part of my life. I think I was closer to her more than I was to my mother. So just for her, and I kind of wish that she was here today to see the man I've become. A lot of it has to do because of her. And so yeah, it's not a memory, but a person who kind of goes everywhere with me.
Thank you so much, Ahan, for your time and all the very
Thank
best.
you so much.